Today we're at the Botany Cemetery in Botany of Howard Township. The Botany Cemetery is actually the story of two faith communities. On the east side of the road here is what was known as the Methodist Cemetery. On the opposite side, on the west side of Howard Line, was the Presbyterian Cemetery. It was established in 1822. The one here on the east side was established in 1863. Both faith groups built churches and the cemeteries that were in the churchyard around the building itself. And quite a vibrant community. Right now, all we see around us are wide open fields, but there was quite the community that was here in the last century. In about 1912, a group of ladies from the Presbyterian Church felt that the upkeep of these cemeteries was something that had caused them to go into disrepair. There was a lot of weeds, there was a lot of brush and growth, so they organized a work bee with both faith groups, the Presbyterians and the Methodists. They got together and really cleaned up and kept this beautiful area maintained to a really high standard. In about 1970, the Presbyterians and the Methodists combined together under the auspices of the United Church of Canada. The United Church itself is just a couple of kilometers east of here, but these two cemeteries are still maintained and used, and they are under the collective umbrella of the United Cemetery of Botany. It's a beautiful spot, mature trees, so mature that there have been trees that have grown up amongst the headstones that have been there for decades.